What's up, everybody? And today we're diving deep into the world of YouTube money making. We're talking about how to turn your passion into a paycheck, whether you want to be front and center or completely behind the scenes. That's right, we're covering it all, face and faceless channel ideas, because everyone deserves a shot at YouTube success. Get ready to have your mind blown because I'm about to drop over 50 epic channel ideas that could make you the next YouTube sensation. Calling all gamers. Sharing your skills and love for gaming is just a click away. Got a knack for gadgets? Turn that passion into profit by reviewing the latest tech. Are you a master chef in the making? Share your recipes and culinary adventures with the world. Idea 5. Bringing ideas to life. The magic of animation channels. Unleash your creativity. Animated stories, explainer videos, the possibilities are endless. Idea 6. Sharing is caring. Building an educational empire on YouTube. Got a passion for teaching? Make learning fun and accessible with your own educational channel. Idea 7. Adventures await. Travel the world with your vlog. See the world and share your experiences. Travel vlogs inspire wanderlust and can be your ticket to adventure. Idea 8. The thrill of the reveal. Everyone loves a good unboxing. Ride the wave of excitement by unboxing the latest products. Idea 9. Building a loyal audience. Share your genuine reactions to viral videos, trends and more. Authenticity is key. Idea 10. Inspiring health and wellness. Share your fitness journey, workout routines and healthy living tips with a dedicated community. Idea 11. The power of sound, creating relaxing ASMR content. Help people relax and unwind with soothing sounds and visuals. Think about ASMR triggers, binaural audio and white noise. Idea 12. DIY and craftastic, unleashing your inner maker. From simple crafts to intricate projects, inspire creativity with your DIY tutorials. You know, dive into DIY projects, gather your craft supplies, and create step-by-step tutorials. Idea 13. Building a music empire on YouTube. Musicians, singers, and producers, this one's for you. Share your music with the world and find your audience. Focus on music production, original songs, and cover performances. Idea 14. The voice of opinion. Commentary channels that captivate. Share your thoughts and analysis on current events, pop culture and more. Dive into news commentary, pop culture reviews and opinion pieces that resonate with your audience. Knowledge is power, creating helpful tutorials. Are you good at something? Teach others. Tutorials on any topic can find a dedicated audience. From how-to videos to software tutorials and life hacks, there's always someone eager to learn from you. Idea 16. Let's talk, starting your podcast journey on YouTube. Have engaging conversations on topics you love and build a community around your podcast. Whether it's podcast interviews, panel discussions or audiograms, your voice can make a difference. Idea 17. Creating uplifting content. Share motivational speeches, stories and advice to inspire and empower others. Idea 18. Movie buffs unite, sharing your passion for film, love movies, review new releases, discuss classics and share your cinematic knowledge. Idea 19. Launching your own news channel. Deliver news updates, analysis and commentary on local or global events. Idea 20. Prankmaster, hilarious pranks gone right mostly. Make them laugh with creative and harmless pranks. Just remember to keep it light-hearted. Idea 21. Honest product reviews. Help viewers make informed decisions by providing detailed and unbiased product reviews. Idea 22. Language learning made fun, expanding your horizons. Share language lessons, cultural insights, and tips for mastering a new language. Help viewers find calmness and mindfulness through guided meditations and relaxation techniques. Discuss your favorite reads, provide insightful reviews, and connect with fellow book lovers. Share your fashion sense, styling tips, and outfit inspirations with the world. Time flies by. The art of time-lapse videos. Capture stunning visuals of changing landscapes, cityscapes, or creative processes. Time-lapses, nature time-lapses, cityscapes. Pour some content, adorable pet videos. Share the joy of furry friends. Pet videos are always a hit and bring smiles to everyone's faces. Cute animals, funny pet videos, pet care tips. The Sports Hub, your go-to channel for all things sports. Cover your favorite sports teams, athletes, and provide commentary, highlights, and analyses. Sports news, game highlights, player interviews. The voice of many, mastering the art of voiceover. Lend your voice to animations, documentaries, explainer videos, and more. Unraveling the Mysteries Conspiracy Theory channel. Explore intriguing theories, unsolved mysteries, and unexplained phenomena. History Uncovered, bringing the past to life. Share your passion for history through documentaries, reenactments, and captivating storytelling. Wonders of nature, showcasing the beauty of our planet. Capture breathtaking footage of wildlife, landscapes, and the natural world. The magic of illusion. Astonishing magic tricks revealed. Share your skills as a magician, teach tricks, and amaze your audience. Science rules. Making learning fun and accessible. Explore scientific concepts, conduct experiments, and make learning engaging for all. The art of parody, humor with a twist. Create hilarious parodies of popular songs, movies, shows, or trends. Funny parodies, song parodies, movie spoofs. Top 10 Tuesdays, or any day really, engaging list videos. Create compelling top 10 lists on various topics to pique viewers' curiosity. Top 10 lists, interesting facts, fun facts. Car enthusiasts unite. Revving up your car review channel. Review cars, discuss specs, and share your automotive expertise with fellow enthusiasts. Car reviews, test drives, car comparisons. Meme Mania compilations that go viral. Curate and compile the funniest memes for endless entertainment. Idea 39. Simplifying everyday life. Share clever tips, tricks, and hacks to make life easier. Green Thumb Gang. Growing a thriving gardening channel. Share gardening tips, plant care advice, and landscaping inspiration. Showcase your voice acting skills, create character voices, and explore the world of voiceover. Share financial tips, investment strategies, and budgeting advice to empower viewers. Provide insights into the real estate market, offer property tours, and share buying and selling advice. Idea 44. Coding Champs. Tutorials for aspiring programmers. Teach coding concepts, programming languages, and software development tips. Your passport to adventure, creating epic travel guides. Provide detailed travel guides, destination tips, and itinerary ideas for unforgettable trips. Unveiling the Truth, captivating documentary channel. Produce thought-provoking documentaries on various topics, from social issues to historical events. Get moving, effective workout routines for everyone. Create workout videos for all levels, from beginner to advanced, and target specific muscle groups. Keywords like fitness routines, home workouts, and exercise tutorials will help you reach a wider audience. Home Sweet Home, DIY home improvement projects. Share home renovation tips, DIY projects, and interior design inspiration. Think about keywords such as home renovation, DIY projects, and interior design to attract viewers interested in sprucing up their living spaces. Dive into true crime cases, unsolved mysteries, and paranormal phenomena. Provide language translation services, teach phrases, and bridge communication gaps. Inspire and motivate viewers with powerful speeches on personal growth, success, and overcoming challenges. Boom! There you have it. More than 50 game-changing YouTube channel ideas. We covered everything from gaming to gardening, travel to tech, and even a little magic along the way. Remember, the most important ingredient is your passion. Pick an idea that excites you, put your own spin on it, and watch your channel soar. Now get out there, hit that record button, and show the world what you've got. The next YouTube sensation could be you. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and drop a comment below telling me which channel idea you're most fired up about.